Hi, I'm Pat Hogan. This week's presentation is over Rogers' curve on adoption of new technology. I've got my little chart here, and what we'll be going over this week is the chart itself. We're plotting myself and five friends or five people in my life on where they would fit in Rogers' curve. Rogers' curve is set up as, the way people adopt new media. The innovators, they're the ones that create the media, to get it out there, and basically media revolves around them. Early adopters, that's the people that as soon as new technology come out, they're all over it. They're up with the times. They get it when it first comes out. They get the new stuff. Early majority, they're not the first to get it, but they're pretty close. They're the ones that stand in the lines at the stores for, the new iPhones, the new Google phones, and all of that. Late majority, that's the ones that they come in after everybody else, and they get the new stuff, but it's usually after the next new thing comes out. And the laggards, that's the ones that are behind the times, and they're the last to get to the technology, or they don't get it at all. On the right side, in the yellow line, that shows the market share percentage of how fast the people should be getting the technology. But our assignment is to place different people in the different spots to tell how our differences affect our communication with each other, and how each of us, ourselves included, operate in our tech world, and why each person is put in the position that they are, in the category that they are, and if I could change what category I would put myself in, and why. Why would I do that? My friend Jason is the innovator. He works for a tech company. He's the one that helps put stuff out there. That's why he's in that spot. If I want to talk and learn about new technology, if I want to catch up on the newest of the new, what's coming out, how to get ahead of the game, I talk to my friend Jason. I'm not doing a very good job of holding this thing up, but my early adapter is my son Sean. If it's a new video game, he's gonna have it, and he's gonna be up on it. The new phones, the new stuff, that's his thing. He's a video gamer. He likes to play the games. My brother Tim, he runs an electric company, and he's one of the senior members of the board from Texas Utilities. And so he's the early majority. As his company gets it, he's on it, and he helps set everything up there. I kind of fall in between the early majority and the late majority, simply because when I have the money for the new technology, that's when I get it, and I try to stay up with with the trends. My friend Shelly is the late majority. She's a school teacher, and funds usually keep her from getting stuff before the next stuff comes out. My mom, she's the laggard. She's the one that doesn't stay up with the technology. If I could, I would be in the early adapters, simply because I like to stay up with the trends. I like to keep informed, and I like to be able to relate to the other people and in the things that they do, and to relate to my web church. Uh, the better I can use the technology, the better I can put the message out there to them, and that's what I'm all about, is spreading God's word. Thank you.